The information about the funding of political parties is essential for the effective exercise of the choice of voting. There is also a legitimate possibility that financial contribution to a political party would lead to quid pro quo arrangements because of the close nexus between money and politics.
The Supreme Court of India, in a unanimous decision, has declared the electoral bond scheme unconstitutional, citing that it violates the right to information under Article 19(1)(a) due to its anonymous nature. Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud emphasized that electoral bonds infringe upon fundamental rights and are not the sole measure to combat black money. The Apex Court has instructed the SBI to cease the sale of these bonds immediately and to disclose the details of donations received through them along with the names of the political parties that benefited.
The electoral bond scheme and the impugned provisions to the extent that they infringe upon the right to information of the voter by anonymizing contributions through electoral bonds are violative of Article 19(1)(a). We have applied the proportionality standard to determine if the infringement of the right to information is justified.
The Supreme Court has struck down the electoral bond scheme, comprehensively struck it down, and all the provisions that were made to bring it into effect in the Income Tax Act, in the Companies Act, etc., everything has been struck down. They have held that this violates the fundamental right to information of citizens to know about who is contributing this much money to political parties, etc. They have also struck down the amendment made which allowed unlimited political contribution being made by companies to political parties.
The Supreme Court's view was, which is fundamentally they agreed with our submissions, that this is public information is essential for the functioning of a democracy, and therefore the public has a right to know who is funding their political parties. And if the public is denied that right, then that defeats the whole functioning of democracy itself.
Electoral bonds were introduced as means to contribute financially to political parties. Individuals, businesses, and corporations, either Indian citizens or entities established in India, could purchase these bonds. Available in denominations ranging from 1,000 rupees to 1 crore rupees, these bonds allowed anonymous contributions with no cap on the purchase amount. In FY23, BJP got around 1,300 crore rupees in contributions through electoral bonds, constituting 61% of its total receipts of 2,120 crore rupees for the year, as per the annual audit report filed with the Election Commission. Conversely, the Congress party saw a decrease in electoral bond earnings, receiving about 171 crore rupees, down from 236 crore rupees the previous year.